Neville Goddard was a man ahead of his time. He believed that the human imagination was the most powerful force in the world and that it could be used to create anything we desired. Unfortunately, most people do not know how to use their imagination properly, and as a result, they live in a world of their own making. Neville believed that if we could learn to harness the power of our imagination, we could create a better world for ourselves and future generations. Neville's teachings have inspired me to start using my imagination more intentionally. I now realize that everything in my life is a result of my own thoughts and beliefs. If I want to create positive change in my life, I need to start with my own mind. I am now consciously using my imagination to visualize the life I want to live. I am no longer allowing myself to be controlled by negative thoughts and emotions. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, show your love in comment box, and subscribe our channel for more such motivational and spirituality-oriented videos. Thanks for supporting the channel.